Oh no. Oh no.
So my hair is freshly washed and I blow dried. Oh, I'm not lying. I ate the ends. No matter what I do, I ate the ends of my hair. Anyway, so it's freshly washed, freshly blow dry. I know for some reason I always look like a wolf lady. My hair grows puffy instead of straight, and do not have processed hair now. Yeah. So tomorrow my mother, she's going to braid my hair tomorrow. Yeah, she's going to do a style. I'll indicate the style somewhere, whatever. So I'm going to indicate the style that my mother's going to do my hair in tomorrow. Right there or right there in this vlog. So this is my mom style my hair vlog again. And yeah, I did one before and I'm doing another one. So yeah. So freshly washed hair, you can tell. All of this. And also the dye is no longer in there. I don't know. I have weird hair, but you can see the effect of the dye right here. Yeah. So yeah, my hair needs a professional cut or a professional or somebody professional to trim it, because I don't think I'm doing a good job trimming my hair because it keeps growing uneven. Let me know if you have any problem where your hair, no matter what you do, it grows uneven, or is maybe it's me how I'm cutting it that making it seem like it's growing uneven. I don't know, because I trim it so often and it still looks uneven. I don't know, but this is it. This is all my head of hair. Yeah. Good morning. As you can guys see from yesterday, I was wearing pigtails or something like that. But this morning now, I'm gonna do another my mom's. I think I said that to you guys yesterday. But anyway, so this morning I'm gonna do my mom. I'm gonna do my mom style my hair today. So she's gonna style my hair in that style. I'm gonna show you the image somewhere here. Yeah, so she's gonna style my hair in that style. Based off of those images as well. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this entire vlog. My mother styling my hair once again. Yeah. So let's get into it. Let's do this. Let's do it. For this style, what we need, well, we should have a tail comb or a rat tail comb. But we need a comb that can part the ear. I like big white tooth combs because my ear is a different type of ear. And you need scissors. And also, you need weave or braid. Braid, we call it money, right? Soft jumbo, yeah. Braid. So you need braid. Alright, waiting on my mother, and let's get this started. Alright.
We are doing black too. You want it
here,
you want it tall or you want it short?
You want that size?
What's your new short cut out here too? You want it short, tall or short?
Tallish.
You don't want it tall.
You go in my back.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside let you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
Okay, so you notice I'm sitting down now, and my mom was sitting on the chair right here. Alright, I want to show you guys. So, you see right there. Like that. Alright, so what you need to do if you're going to have somebody braid your hair, always give them the pieces. And with this hairstyle, you have to start from small. So my mom started from my real hair. From here, she started from my real root and plait it or corner it. And I give her in pieces. So she said, okay, a little bit more, bigger. That's how we end up with this entire braid or cornrow. So yeah, so gradually give piece by piece until you get a full length. Yeah, but my hair isn't finished yet because my mom is going to take care of the baby, and then she'll be back and I'll show you the finished hair. So usually, I don't know what time we start at 12 something, and I think it's about 3:50 something or 3:40 something now. Usually whenever I'm braiding my hair, it takes up to 3 to 4 to 5 hours. This time maybe take up to 3 to 4 hours. So it's very simple. But with the mom taking care of the babies and all that, it does take a little longer. When I'm doing the braid I'm do, like box braid or single braid, that maybe take up to 5 to 8 hours to do in a day. So braiding does, for person that don't know, braiding take long. It does take a good while. So you have to have patience and butt muscles. Your butt have to be strong. Your body have to be strong for this. So yeah, but I do like braided style because it's more protective on your hair, and it gives your hair room to grow because you're pulling the hair up, the new growth, you're pulling some of it up from your scalp. So whenever the new growth goes up, you'll see it more than having the hair out. We're not seeing the new growth. So right now we're not going to see the new growth, but whenever it gets loose or the corner or the back gets a bit more slack, you'll see the new growth. That means the hair is growing out. So yeah, these styles help your hair grow if it's done correctly.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
So my hair finally complete. Look at it. It looks so cute. I love it. My mother there. Anyway, I love my hair, guys. I love it so much. I wish you guys could see it, but it's night now because we had to help out with the babies and all these things. But you guys will see. You guys already saw the intro video, so you already saw my hairstyle and everything. Alright, so I want to tell you guys thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! Yeah.